Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor tutorial how to make a gears. So I will create for the basic how to create gear. You can click new and I will choose standard in millimeter, click create. Now you can create sketch and I will choose the top plane, draw circle, like I will set into 10 millimeter for the diameter. And the next we create line. Let's start from this point to the top here and click. Like in here, I will set into 0,5 and then click in here. Now you can use the trim command to cut the line, and after it, you can select this line. Now you can use the mirror tools to mirror with mirror line here. Click apply to set. Now you can select the line and then press delete button. After it, you can select these sketch entities. You can use the circular pattern. Okay, for the axis, click on the center point and you can change for the items here like into 10 or set again 15 or 14, 13. Okay, like this. If you done, you can click OK to apply. And the next, we can use the trim command, okay, to cut the circle here, the arch. Okay, you can select one by one. And the next, I will create circles from the center points into here. Now we can click finish. To convert into 3D, we can use the extrude tools, select at this face, and then you can move the extrude distance. Click OK to apply. So we already create this basic gear with the Inventor 2027. Okay, that's it for basic tutorials for Inventor 2027.